Well, I got a little surprise in the mail today. Right here. It is this little bugger right here. That's a gyro. Let me see. It's got adjustable sensitivity. Let me try to get a better. I don't know if that's going to focus. Gyro for RC cars. There you go. It's got the instructions here, which I will read them later. Got the jump wires for you to go through your ESC, and then again to the gyro. And this will be going in my drift car, as you see right here. I'm still waiting on some other parts right there, and I didn't buy them this go around, but the next order I make for this car will be the diffs. I'm going to get the 4-to-1 for this. It's supposed to help it out quite a bit. I got that bit of information from Blacksmith RC. I'm not 100% sure how well it worked for him. I'll have to ask, but I mean, if it's worth getting, I'm gonna get it. He seems to know quite a bit about the drift, and I don't. So I'll talk to him a little more about that if I can. And anyway, that's it. I just wanted to do a little thing like that. And I've also read in some blogs online that you got some people that say gyros are cheating, others say it's not. So all I gathered from everything I read is it's a personal preference, and if you like it, great. If you don't, great. But don't bust my balls over it if you don't, because I'm not going to bust yours over it. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Jimmy G, RC Crazy. I'm out of here, guys.